how to make watermelon pizza.
And you can also call it watermelon treat pizza. Let's get started. I'm so excited.
For the pizza, we need a round slice of watermelon and some Greek yogurt and strawberries, blueberries, and mango.
Okay, and for the toppings, we will need some shredded coconut, walnuts, and we'll need some raisins and honey.
Okay, so now I'm gonna add my first toppings.
I'm gonna add some strawberries. Okay, now we might add a little bit of honey.
Okay, honey. I'm gonna add some honey.
I might need a little help with this.
Is that enough honey?
Mm-hmm.
So just drizzle the honey if you also add honey. And drizzle it all over.
Okay, that's enough.
Yep.
Let's add a few walnuts. One there. Actually, two on one half.
Because I'm gonna add a little honey. I just want a little, so I'm gonna take that.
This is gonna be so good when I try it.
A little honey.
Okay,
So good.
let's add a few more walnuts.
These are kind of like cheese flakes, so I'm just gonna add them all around. The cheese flakes.
It's going to be amazing. Almost done. I'm completed with my pizza.
When you make the watermelon pizza, it helps to grow your immune system, and it's really healthy.
Amazing.
Yummy!
Thanks for watching our video. Goodbye.
See y'all next time.